viewing or integration with Clio. CaseSuite.ai is an AI-powered platform designed to help law firms automate time-consuming tasks and manage their cases more efficiently. Our goal is to reduce the administrative workload attorneys face every day so they can focus on strategy and client service. The platform combines legal case management with AI tools such as automated document analysis, deposition summarization, and body camera review. These tools help legal professionals analyze large amounts of information quickly and organize their matters in one centralized workspace. Our integration with Clio ensures that firms already using Clio for practice management can seamlessly connect their case data with CaseSuite.ai's AI capabilities. Connecting CaseSuite.ai to Clio is simple and takes only a few steps. From the CaseSuite.ai dashboard, the user navigates to the integration section and selects Connect to Clio. Once authorized, the integration establishes a secure connection between the two platforms and automatically configures the data mapping between Clio matters, contacts, and related case information. After the connection is confirmed, the user can immediately begin syncing data between Clio and CaseSuite.ai. Now let's take a look at how the integration works in practice. CaseSuite.ai performs a one-way sync from Clio, meaning we only read data from Clio and do not write any information back to the Clio system. Synchronization is manually triggered by the user. From the integrations page, the user can simply click on Sync Now whenever they want to fetch the latest updates from their Clio account. This pulls the latest matters and associated documents into CaseSuite.ai. Once the data is synced, the user can navigate to the matter detail page where they will see the documents that were imported from Clio. These documents are not AI ready by default. Instead, the user can open the Documents Action menu and choose the option to make the document AI ready. After this is requested, CaseSuite.ai processes the document, and which typically takes a couple of minutes. Once the processing is complete, the document becomes available for AI chat and analysis. Users can then ask questions about the document, analyze its contents, and discuss legal strategies related to the matter. This chat module has perfect context. I can ask a question about the entire matter or focus on a specific piece of evidence. For example, I can ask, the AI co-counsel agent analyzes the connected context from both documents and delivers pointed strategic insights instantly. The same workflow applies to video evidence, such as police body camera footage. When a video is uploaded, CaseSuite.ai processes the video and generates the necessary data for AI interaction. After processing is complete, the video becomes chat-ready, allowing the user to either download the generalized transcript or chat with the video to analyze events and strategize their defense. For example, I've uploaded a police body cam footage right here, so let's ask. It scans the transcripts and pulls precise timestamps and quotes. This workflow allows legal professionals to bring their case data from Clio into CaseSuite.ai and then apply powerful AI tools to document and video evidence as needed. Here are answers to a few common questions about the integration. For example, how secure is the integration? All data transfers occur through secure API connections and follow industry best practices for encryption and data protection. Does the integration require technical setup? No, the technical expertise is required. The connection process is guided within the platform and typically takes only a few minutes. Third, is the data sync automatic? No. Data sync is manual and only one-way sync. Clio users can choose whenever they want to sync their data from Clio to CaseSuite. And lastly, can users control what data is shared? Yes. Users can configure which matters, documents, or data types are synced between Clio and CaseSuite.ai.